Do you want to turn your dumb TV into a smart one? Or maybe you would prefer to have a more privacy respecting open source operating system that will power your TV watching experience. Just take one part of KDE Plasma, one part of Raspberry Pi 4 and one part of Mycroft AI voice assistant and you have got your Plasma Bigscreen. It's a new venture that transforms the KDE Linux desktop into a 10-foot experience. It uses the speed and flexibility of KDE Neon, complete with voice control and Alexa-like assistant skills. Hello guys, Kuntal is back here again. Today we'll take a look at the new operating system for the Raspberry Pi 4 called Plasma Bigscreen. So let's get started. The Plasma Bigscreen image is easily flashed onto a microSD card like most other Pi operating systems. Here is the quick overview what to do after you download the latest beta image for your Raspberry Pi 4. The official website of this project is plasma-bigscreen.org. You can download development preview beta image from this website. It's about 1.8 GB in size. After downloading the image, you can use HR or similar program to flash the image onto a microSD card. You need at least 8 GB microSD card for this purpose. After flashing, you may resize the available space on the microSD by using KPartition Manager or Gparted if you plan to extensively install more software on it. After flashing is complete, then take your microSD card and insert it onto your Raspberry Pi. Then grab a HDMI cable. You know, Raspberry Pi has a micro HDMI port on its board. So if your TV has a full-sized HDMI cable, then you need a micro HDMI to full-sized HDMI cable. So now plug your TV or monitor to your Raspberry Pi. If you want, then you can plug your external mouse or keyboard to this, or you can use your Bluetooth remote control. So we are ready to go. Now power on your Raspberry Pi. You should see a rainbow image shortly flashing up, then loading the operating system and showing the Plasma Bigscreen welcome screen. Plasma Bigscreen powers the interface on a single board computer and uses the Mycroft AI voice assistant to provide a smart TV platform. Plasma Bigscreen will deliver not only major application but also traditional desktop applications redesigned to fit the big screen experience. Plasma Bigscreen is described as a free open source UI experience for big screen TVs. The Pi version is still in its beta stage, so expect a few bugs as well as improvements along the way. The UI is catered specifically to TV experience, it even supports remote control operation. To make things a little more modern, you can also use voice controls to navigate. Now let's have a look on the interface. And by the way, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.